For the SNAP Forest Health Team, the ability of trees to survive disease, insect attack, drought, or fire is a key sign of a healthy forest. The team is investigating the effects that forest fuels treatment projects have on trees and overall forest health.
So one of the big concerns with lots of the forests in the Sierra Nevada and California, in fact in the American West, is that because of the absence of fire, we've had too many trees grow into these forests. And the problem with too many trees is that it tends to make things crowded. And when things are crowded, individual trees are competing for light and nutrients and water, and that leads to some trees not winning. When they don't win in the plant world, that means you die. And so
the science team theory is that removing competing trees will improve the growth and health of those left behind within treated and adjoining areas by reducing competition for resources such as sun, water, and nutrients among the remaining trees.
The basic theory is well accepted. The challenge is to figure out exactly how many trees you need to remove and what size you need to remove.
Cores from live and dead trees are an excellent record showing how much a tree has grown over the years, as well as potential times of stress such as drought and fire. Cores were taken from trees chosen at random and used to assess the overall pre-treatment health of the forest and how the health of the forest changes after treatment. Over 1,200 core samples have been collected and sent to the lab for analysis. Information such as tree species, the diameter of the tree, and whether it is alive or dead is recorded onto data sheets and mounting boards. The core samples are inspected and mounted with the cell structure visible. Cores are sanded 4 times to make the tree rings more clearly visible under the microscope. Using a microscope and sliding stage micrometer, rings are counted to establish the age of the tree, and the width of growth between the rings is measured. Measuring this width gives scientists information on the overall health of the tree. Wider rings means a healthier tree, narrow rings indicate some stress factor.
So our focus in SNAP is looking at tree health, and that might seem a little bit too narrow looking at just individual trees, but of course forests are composed of individual trees, and one of the scientific challenges is to take our information about individual trees and scale it up to the whole forest, because that's ultimately what we're concerned about, the health of the forest.
For more information on the Forest Health Team, as well as other SNAP research, please visit our website.